Hi, my name's John. Welcome to another Sunday night nightcap. Tonight's nightcap, I've got some lathe work, a bit of work on a milling machine and some TIG welding. I make an engine stabiliser bar for a large motorbike. I basically show the whole job from start to finish. You might have noticed the music at the beginning of the video was different. It's the same tune, but it was actually played by my dad. My dad plays the organ, so he did the intro for us, and he's also, I've actually managed to persuade him to come on to one of my nightcaps, and he's going to do this week's draw. This week's draw is for that nice little clock gauge. Anyway, he does the draw for us, so you'll be able to meet my dad, I suppose. As I say, my dad does play the organ, and at the end of this video I'll put a maybe 3 or 4 minute clip on of him playing the organ. And if you didn't want to watch it, just don't watch it, simple as that.
Hi, my name is Ed. I'm John's dad. Welcome to this week's draw. This week's draw is for the dial test indicator.
Right.
Quite sensitive, isn't it?
Oh,
And this week's winner is and the name is St. Paul O'Sullivan.
Right, Ed, thanks very much for doing that for us. I'll make sure this gets in the post this week. The winner of last week's draw, a lad called Aaron Bott, kindly sent us in one of these Spillmaster oil pots. They're hard to get in this country, they're American. I think he's actually imported quite a few. If you want one, send me an email, I'll put you in touch with them. Anyway, I'm going to put that and a pack of brushes is going to be this week's giveaway. So if you're interested in winning that, all you've got to do is send me an email with your name on, simple as that. Your name will go into the bucket. If your name is drawn, I'll post it here free anywhere in the world. Anybody's name that's already in the bucket, they'll also get the chance to win that as well. It's just a way of me giving a little bit back for all the gifts and all the support I've had. I've had quite a few items being sent in for us. John, would you like to put this in a giveaway? Yeah, why not? Can't do any harm. So anybody that sent gifts in, thanks very much. I've been doing a bit of a review on an Arctech MIG welder, like a spool gun welder for welding aluminium. I've got some decent arc shots. I'll put a little bit in towards the end, just as a matter of interest. Doing arc shots is not easy, especially on aluminium MIG, because it's very, very bright. It tends to flare when you're trying to film them. But I've got them. I've got it at this stage now where you can actually see what's happening. I've got a nice little straightforward machining job, well, fabricating job to do for a lad, which will make a nice change from cutting tape as in making horrible big threads. All it is, it's a steady bar for a motorcycle engine. Basically 2 bushels of steel, which are inch diameter, 1.75 long, and I drill and counterbolt to take an Allen bolt like that, a 10mm Allen bolt, piece of 1 inch diameter tube, welded in between them. The important dimension is the centres there, 8 inches between centres, and they must be square to each other, and they must be in line with each other. I've got some suitable bar. I'll make the 2 bosses first, and then we'll have to find a way. I think I know how I'm going to notch the end of the tube to make it a good fit around the bosses on the end. I've been very happy with this 4-jaw self-centering chucker boat. I'll just take the jaws out and put the ordinary ones back into it. full of aluminium off the last job I did. See how the aluminium gets stuck in the teeth on the jaws. The jaws are numbered. This is which hole I go into, obviously 1 to 4. As long as they all meet in the middle, we'll be looking pretty good to go, which we are. Excellent. Each piece is 1.75, which means I need 3.5, 4 inches to play with. 4 inches to play with, really. Right. I'll face the end off square first. I'll take the tool roller first. The tool wants to go down very slightly. I was using the tool roller or something else. A little bit more. Centre drill next. Right, we want this down to inch, 375 thou of it. Just take a rough and cut it first just to get some material. .72, that's 30 aside, take 20 and then go for a finishing cut. So we actually get a better finish on a heavier cut. Right, I'll speed things up a little bit. The next thing is a drill it out, clearance hole for the bolts. This is 10mm, so that's clearance drill. That's deep enough to get one. Next we need this counter boarding, just so the head disappears into it. I'll use a milling cutter for that. I've got a 16mm milling cutter in there. Need to go in for a depth of 3/8 of an inch. Should do it. The measurements are wrong there, John, bonny lad. Should be better. I'm sure you drilled that deep enough. Perhaps you didn't. You didn't, because you're a turnip head. With the aid of the pause button on the camera, I brought that a little bit deeper. I've also effaced that off, so the cap head is level with the top of the bush. I'll put a chamfer on this side, part it off to length, and then do the other one. I just need to make sure the parting tool is square to the job. I know it's on centre height, so if I do that, it's touching there, lock the tool post up, it's got to be at 90 degrees to the job. Maybe 1 inch and 3/4. Inch and 3/4 there. I'll just lock the carriage off before we part it off. Part this off at a reasonably quick speed. Trying to keep a constant feed on it. You haven't got to back off when you're parting, keep it going. Wants to speed up a little bit as it gets in towards the centre, but we're nearly there. That one there. Right, so same again, I'll drill this a bit deeper, counter bore it, chamfer it, part it off, and then we're ready to do the tubes. Right, I've got the two bosses made. That's the material you supply, quite heavy walled steel tube. That needs to be welded onto there, and the other end welded onto there, and they must be 8 inches apart. And it also must be in line. They cannot be pissed like that. They've got to be nicely in line. You're a very good actor for that.
Would you want it again like a rebug or like?
Aye, I do like Bogart.
Hi, my name is Ed. I'm John's dad.
That's better, aye.
With emphasis.